My business is too small. It's not worth a hacker's time. This is just one assumption of many about cybersecurity, and sometimes these assumptions are crucial. So here are the 5 biggest cybersecurity myths and assumptions that could leave your business in danger. When hackers obtain your information, they will list it up onto the dark web for other cybercriminals to get hold of. They can also use your information for impersonation purposes and trick your friends or family. Let's take a look at how much your information is potentially worth on the dark web. If hackers gain access to your online streaming accounts, such as Netflix, they can sell the login information for about $3. If they decide to sell your PayPal login details on the dark web, they can get around $1.50. Your credit card and other payment details can sell for about $22 on the dark web, and if hackers manage to obtain your email address and password, they can sell that information for about $2.30. You might be looking at those prices and thinking, they're quite low. The reason your information might not sell for as much as you thought is because the low prices make it more accessible for others to buy. And if a hacker managed to breach a big company, they could have thousands of credentials, so even if they sell the information for a low price, they have so much of it that they will still have quite a big payday. Smaller businesses tend to spend less on their cybersecurity, meaning they are much easier to hack into. This leads to smaller businesses being targeted more, as it's much easier job for the hackers. And sometimes, the data that has been stolen from the small businesses can assist the hackers and open the doors to get into the larger ones, such as website management and accounting. You might think that cybersecurity is expensive and you won't see an obvious return on investment. Last year, 39% of UK businesses experienced a cyber attack with an average loss of £4,200 per attack. With Reformed IT, a full cybersecurity package to keep your business fully secure costs around £900 per month. However, this also includes a full IT support package that makes your business efficient. So, the cost of leaving your business wide open to hackers can be much more catastrophic than if you were to spend a little bit more on your cybersecurity. Our business uses antivirus software. This should keep us secure. The truth is, you'll need much more than just an antivirus. Although an antivirus software can help protect you from malware, it won't be useful against other cybercrimes such as phishing scams and identity theft. Now, we're not saying you don't need an antivirus at all, just that you'll need much more than just that in order to keep your business safe. This is also a myth. In fact, your employees are mostly responsible for your business's security. All employees must be knowledgeable when it comes to cybersecurity. This is why we offer cybersecurity training to all our clients. According to studies, 95% of security breaches are caused by human error, so it's extremely likely that your employees could be the cause of a security attack. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow our socials so you don't miss out on cybersecurity tips like these.